let me show you how you guys can do bicycle kick on eFootball. So for that, your player needs to be positioned on like near a goal post. So let's say I pass it to this player, and like look at this. Now I'm just gonna stop here. Now I need to give him an air ball, and while he's facing forward, he can do like a bicycle kick. It's really rare, to be honest. Like I can like give them like a cross here. I'll try to give them a cross. Like it's really hard, to be honest. Like you just have to try to give them like an air cross, and he'll try to hit like a bicycle, like just like that. It's really impossible, to be honest, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So yeah, it's like there is no way you can hit like a bicycle. You just have to like go with the flow with it. That's the only way. I know it sounds really random, but that's the way. You kind of just like give a high cross like this, and yeah, try to just like shoot. Okay, it didn't do the bicycle kick, but it went for it. But it like literally need to time the air ball like this. Time it, and I'll try it. Okay, I just missed it. Let me just do it again from here. I'll try it one last time. A full powered throw. Okay, so you see that like what I'm trying to say. Okay, it's that hard to score like a bicycle goal, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Just be close to D-box and give a header ball and try to shoot that, and it'll try to do bicycle then. That's the easiest way to like take it in. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.